Hello, friends. I've been getting some requests from all those who have joined the Happy Co-op that they would like to know what are the advantages and what all you can do from it. So I'm going to, with the help of this video, explain to you. You can try it out, and if there are questions, you can call me back. So first, let me share my screen and show you how do you log into your happyneighborhoodproject.com co-op. So here it is. When you go into the browser, please notice happyneighborhoodproject.com/co-op. Now, when you go there, you will get this screen. When you get this screen, now become a member. No, you're already a member, so you don't have to do that. The next one is login. So you click onto login and you will get. Now, because I've already logged in, I've got this, but normally you would get another screen which will ask you for your email ID. You will put your email ID there, and then you will immediately, without any delay, in your email inbox, you will get a link, and click on that link and you will come here. Now, this is your dashboard. On your dashboard, firstly, it says onboard your account with Stripe. You don't have to worry about this because you're a free co-op. This is only for people who have to join their bank account with them, only if they are shared members where they are going to draw some money out of it. Now, in your case, firstly, let's say points. Now, you would have earned no point, but just to show you how it is for me, for example, once you start earning your points, this is how it will show you. So in the first quarter, in my payout, I got $80.53 and I got a rank of 17. So that was my first quarter, which ended in October. But now if you see the current quarter, which is quarter 4, I am number 2 in the world with 4,666 points. And now we have started with the first quarter of next year, which they still haven't updated. We also are now, there was a competition or a contest in December, which has got extended in January, where you are asked to recruit more members. And for every member I enroll as my referral, I get 50 points. So here you will find that these are all the people who have joined into my, so you will see it's 89 people here. Okay, so total 89 people, but that was also before October. So in this particular quarter, if you see the referral leader board, you will find that last quarter I had 62 and I was number 1. Here again, this quarter I am 25 and again I'm number 1. Ian Kingwill was second last time with 51. He's still second with 21. He's catching up soon. So I have to pull up my socks and get some more people to retain the number 1 thing. Incidentally, that has become a little excitement for me. And today, if you see in the HNP group, you will find that there is a post which I've done where Edwin has given both me and Ian, the top 2 people, a gift coupon of $100 from Amazon. So that has been a nice incentive. Okay. And so now the contest is carrying on till the end of January, and I am here to recruit more people. The way I am recruiting people now, you should also start getting people under you and invite them for the HNP meeting on Wednesdays. A word about this HNP meeting on Wednesdays. See, it's a marketing effort. It's a networking thing. You go to BNI and do networking, you are paying almost 1 lakh rupees every year, and then see how many leads you get. And you have to spend far more time. Now it is online. When I was a BNI member, commuting, attending that meeting for 3 hours, it used to take me almost 4 to 5 hours every week. Plus all the time that you spend in doing one-to-ones and all was extra time. So it was at least 8 to 9 hours a week of a time investment. And I hardly got any business out of it. In fact, it's zero, close to zero. Now, Here it is a free networking thing. You only invest 1 hour every week, but please be consistent. Come at least for 3-4 meetings before you decide what to do. And also, please come prepared for a meeting. Come prepared with your 2 minutes bio so that you can say it without wasting any time, so that you get the maximum input into those 2 minutes. And then you have 18 minutes to listen to other people. So make notes and see who are the people you are interested in and connect with them after that. Copy the chat, keep the chat, make your Excel sheet, make a database of people you are interested in. You have to do a little work if you want to get business leads, right? Now, invite more people from your friend circle into this. And when you do that, this is what will happen. You will start getting points. Now, like I have got these points, you will start getting these points. At the moment, immediately, those points are not going to really matter to you because you're not a paid co-op. But in due course, there are a lot of things going to happen. So I personally suggest that now that you have taken that initiative, start maintaining your score in a way that get more people, because when they do business, you will still get money. Be a little long-term vision that there will be in the longer run lots to pay. So if we are the founder people, we are starting it right now. It is time to build up here. The next thing I want to tell you is that go to your dashboard, and in your dashboard, the first thing actually I want you to do is that these are your events. See this choose event? I hope you can see my cursor, choose event. And if you can see that, click on choose event and you will find there are 2 things we are interested in. One is I want to invite people to HNP India. So click on this. When you click on this, here you say India and you got this link, and here you can copy it. When you copy this link, now this is the link you pass to your friends and say, please come and join HNP. Once you do that, you will be able to get people under your link so that any business they do, even 2 years later, you will get the benefit of that. The second one we normally want is HNP Worldwide, which is in the end. And please make a link of that. So have these 2 links. I've converted them into short URLs, easy to send to people. So that is the second aspect. The third is that I would like you to go and have a look at listings. So here you see listings. Go to listings and then create and edit my listing. Now I haven't done it. I should have done it by now. So I'm also going to do it. Your business name, your logo, your category, your blurb, description, website, email, and all that. Create all this so that you will be listed. It is something like if you have your profile on LinkedIn, you will have your profile here. Now we are already a little more than 1,200 members in the co-op. And Edwin is trying his best to make it into 10,000 people this year. So imagine that you are now going to get onto this platform with your visibility, which can get you business in future. So don't ever miss that opportunity, right? So I think that's all for now. There are more things, but I would like that the moment you get onto this, because I'm sending this message to people who have already joined in and they are already the co-op members. So if you do this, in longer run, you will have lots to benefit. Thank you very much for listening in, and happy business, happy joining, happy recruiting and enrolling more people so that you get more points, and let's all grow HNP India together. Thank you very much. See you every Wednesday, 8 p.m. and every Friday midnight, 12:30 at HNP Worldwide, where we have more than 200 people. And you get people from all the countries. You can do international business if you want to. Thank you very much and look forward to doing more things together. Jai Hind.